Alhamdulillah, my parents are in Makkah right now to perform Hajj this year.
MashaAllah.
They have already completed their Umrah. Now they would like to perform more Nafal Tawaf. Currently, the Mata area is available for the Umrah pilgrims only. So if they want to perform Nafal Tawaf, they have to do it on the first floor. Now, my parents are above 60 and have pain in their legs. They cannot walk for a long time. In this case, if my father puts on the two white garments of Ihram and go to Matab to perform Nafal Tawaf, will it be cheating?
Why would he do this? Is it because he wants the authorities to think that he's wearing ihram and they will allow him to do this?
Yeah, so he can go to Mataf and do it.
Yeah, this
in
is
less time.
this is sort of cheating, but it is legal cheating. So we know that nafil tawaf is not mandatory and ihram is not one of its condition. I can perform nafil tawaf wearing this attire. But if a person says, I would like to wear my two towels, the white towels, as if I'm a muhrim, but I'm not in the state of ihram. I just want to pretend that I'm in the state of ihram so that they would allow me in. There is no problem in doing that, inshallah. I would not do it. Why? Because I'd rather go and pray rather than offer this tawaf, which I know that may burden other worshippers, because it's a limited area and lots of people are coming for Umrah or for Hajj. I don't want to add to the burden and to the crowd. So instead, Alhamdulillah, I did my Umrah, I will do my Hajj. Later on, I can do that. And if I don't do it, there's nothing wrong in skipping it altogether. You can go and pray nafil and voluntary prayers as much as you wish. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.